better listen up closely. All you niggas that said that I turn pop or the firm flop, y'all are the reason that Dre ain't been getting no sleep. So fuck y'all, all of y'all. If y'all don't like me, blow me. Y'all are gonna keep fucking around with me and turn me back to the old me.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre.
Hello again. Forgot About Dre by Dr. Dre. It's the same groove repeated for the duration of the song. The hardest thing about this is the hi-hat part, which contains 8th notes, 16th notes, and 32nd notes. But we're going to get into that later. So on the sheet, example 1 is the kick and snare pattern with straight 8th notes over the top. One and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. So the bass drums are on 1, the R of 1, snare on 2, the E and the R of 3 with a snare on 4. The hi-hat pattern goes like this. 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and 4 E and a. Whenever you see any 32nd notes in this pattern, which are the notes that are connected by 3 beams, you play the second 32nd note of each pair with the left hand. So the left hand will come up to play the second of each pair. Now, when counting 32nd notes, I find it easier to count them and feel them as 16th notes, like this. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. So for each 16th note, you play 2 notes, 2 32nd notes. The hi-hat pattern again. Let's just do beats 1 and 2 first. So 1 and 2 E and a. Beats 3 and 4, 3 E and 4 E and a. The hi-hat pattern for the full bar goes like this. 1 and 2 E and a, 3 E and 4 E and a. So let's just do the hands now. 1 and 2 E and a, 3 E and 4 E and a. So very slowly, the pattern goes like this in full. So at song tempo, which is 67 beats per minute. So this groove written as half time, spread across 2 bars, means that the hi-hats are going to be written as quarters, eighths, and 16ths, which cuts out any 32nd notes, which may or may not make it easier to learn. It's there if it does help. So the first bar, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and a. Second bar, 1, and 2, and 3, and a, 4, and a. So it's going to sound exactly the same when put together, but now the tempo is doubled, so it's 134 beats per minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so thank you very much for watching. If there's any other songs you'd like me to break down, transcribe, and so forth, please let me know, and I will endeavour to help you. Thank you.